GM, frog friends and degens alike. We're just gonna skip the bullshit in the intros and get right into it because we are currently seeing a big bloody candle printing for not just Bitcoin but basically all across the market. Why? What are we looking at? What the fuck happened? It's just the market. This is what it does, and this is what we expected, really. I mean, if you look at this point, what do you mean? What the fuck happened? This is kind of what we are anticipating. Well, why? I honestly, I thought we were going to come back down and test the 62, 61 level, that DCA entry we got, right? We had a fair value gap created here. I think market makers are going to bring us back toward that level, right? I thought we were going to come back down here sooner from the 68, but market makers played their games. They pumped us up to 70. Got probably a few more people to FOMO, get some FOMO induction there, capture more liquidity. Now they're going to try to get people to paper out. Look at this support level that we've been holding. So we're a very interesting level right now for Bitcoin. We are starting to lose the RSI. We are seeing that the longer term EMA printing as a resistance. I really do think we're going to come back into this 61, 62 area. Hopefully find support there, making the higher low, giving us the leg up. If we continue to find resistance and come down, we do have a THOR long call sitting here at mid 57 range. That is the higher low overall, so that's nothing bearish. Take profit for that one would be up here at 63. Basically, this line right here, very close. It's pretty much the take profit point if we hit this long. If this doesn't hold as support and we reach down to 57.7, THOR is saying we are most likely going to test this for resistance before breaking down further or break through this and continue up in bullish momentum. So we are at key levels to look for here. Do we hold this 63? If not, we're looking to fill this gap down here at 60, 61, 62, right? Fill this area. If we can range and create wicks in here, wicks on the bottom showing buying support, I think we could break out of this, continue the bullish move. If we break down, remember a while ago we said this mid 56, 55, 56, this could be the best entry that we get for the rest of the bull run given opportunity. Right now, it's looking like a great buy, seeing that we're in a heavy retrace and still in great profit, right? So what is THOR saying? It's actually calling for the next potential bottom to be above our DCA area, which is bullish, right? So key time for Bitcoin. How much more do we bleed? The RSI is coming down. Where do we bottom out? I think it's, if we aren't on the bottom, I think put it this way, I think we're close to bottom and we're about to induce a little more capitulation, really spike down, find where that bottom's at, and maybe continue bullish from there. We'll see. Now, jumping on to Solana. Solana, we were predicting seeing this 160, maybe even down here to that 155, 156 level, right? If you recall, we did have a THOR short that was right here at 180. I think it was 178, 179 was the entry, and it had a take profit of 156. Well, after we broke that level and found support, THOR invalidated that call, right? So we were looking for this call here, entry at 194, take profit. I didn't see this one turn active on THOR, but as you can see, we pretty much hit entry and now have hit and take profit point on this call. Is that another indicator that this could be an incoming bottom? The fact that we've hit the THOR take profit point, it's right near the top of our range. We've seen resistance, 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 and then a support. Do we see this level now become support? Let's see if we can get this RSI to start turning back up and give us the indicators of support we need. Right now, keep an eye on this downtrend. Ultimately, we need to see the break and retest of this downtrend to be bullish. But we have a lot of indicators that a bottom could be incoming soon. So keep an eye on the indicators. Keep an eye on the THOR calls for entry. Right now, you know, when we started the Marketflow live stream an hour and a half ago, we were at $169 Solana. You see how quickly the market can move, but we've been prepared for it. We were talking about it. We were waiting for this to income. Looking at Jupiter, long talk, or let's go to Kira first. We're still in this bottom range of level. Look, if people just aren't capitulating any further, I don't know. Just do the math, do your own research. I'll leave it at that. I want to show you guys Jupiter just because we've been talking about Jupiter on the live stream and on the recaps for so long now, and we gave really good entries and exits. Those that played this played it very well. So let's go ahead and take a look at Jupiter as long as Bird Eye can load it up here for us. Seems like we're having a little bit of trouble. Bird Eye being clunky means people are using it, which is bullish for us. One thing I want to indicate while I'm waiting for that to load. If we look at Bitcoin, notice how we're finding resistance on the long-term EMA, right? On the 200-day EMA of the 4-hour chart. Notice that we found resistance on that level. If we look at Solana, Solana is just now reaching down to the 200-day EMA and maybe finding support on it. Is this yet again another indicator? Once Bitcoin has found its resistance, if it finds support here, is this an indication that Solana could be finding support on these levels right near the long-term EMA? Time will tell. These are the things that we're looking at and we are aware of. Jupiter. Let's see if we can get our markings back. Come on, Bird Eye, I have faith. You can do it for us. The market is bloody, but you don't get rich by selling the red. You get rich by buying the bargain deals, and the bargain deals are when things are down in the dumps. So look for our key levels and wait to see what we get. All right. It doesn't want to load my chart. There we go. There we go. Thank you. All right. How did we play Jupiter? Right? We knew things were getting a bit frothy. We said maybe look at taking some profits. This was something we got airdropped as well by using Jupiter and having Cyber Frogs. So there's that. We made entry here at 81. We made entry here at 71. And ultimately, we knew 64 was our target entry, and we actually got it. We were looking for resistance here near $1. We were looking for resistance here at $1.15. We got it. Now, are we going to find support here? We had a DCA, but really we're looking to load more back up at the 90 and the 81 again. Those are the areas that we're looking to get back in. Are we going to see the downtrend and give us those areas of entry and we're going to look for the break and retest? Or are we going to find support on this initial DCA and hold the uptrend? Time will tell. We will find out. Look, if you're having trouble reading these charts and understanding, hey, THOR says go short here, take profits here. THOR is saying buy here, go long, take profits here. If you're having trouble with this whole trading thing, if you're having trouble lining up with our own TA or understanding what this mess of lines means, please do your own research. but consider using AutoThor. We have the V3 contract, currently has over 1.1 TVL mil locked into the contract, and this is what Thor does. It buys low, buys at 126, buys at 143, buys at 144, sells at 160, all the way up through 190, and look at that. We were talking about this being a potential support level. Thor made a DCA entry. Thor didn't blow its load and buy everything here, but time in the market can often be better than timing the market. Just like we showed with Jupiter, this didn't look like a good DCA entry until we got up here. Trade well made. Plan your trade, trade your plan. That's all Thor does. No mixed emotions. Jump in Cyber Frogs on Monday for the Cyber Dojo with Rumpty if you've got any questions. Join me on Marketflow on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can literally be live stream, ask any question you want. Wednesdays, decoding the market with Dregs. Frogs give you the tools to earn yourself money. It's not about the floor price of the NFT. It's about how you use it. We use it to print our own money each and every week. Frogs fuck, Thor prints. See y'all.